You want to learn your first song on the guitar, but sometimes it can be a little bit hard and you don't know how to get this song. So today I'll be showing some chord progressions that you can learn, also some songs that you can practice with these chord progressions and prepare you to get to the song that you like it. Also, I'll be talking about the theory and what's behind this chord progression. Hey guys, I'm Everton Zaquini. I'm a musician for 20 years and I teach guitar over 10 years. And this is a lesson that I give to my students to start to get more fluency on the chord transitions and start to play some songs and have fun in the guitar. So I will show you now what chords we're going to be practicing on. And the songs will be Last Kiss and Stand By Me. But before we start, just remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment here, like the video, ring the bell, and this is really important to me. Keep creating content and helping you to become a better guitar player and a better musician. So the chords that we're going to be practicing will be G, E minor, C, and D. However, instead of changing a lot of fingers, we're gonna practice keeping fingers 3 and 4 here almost all the time on string 1 and 2. So G, fingers 3 and 4, keep pressing them there, and then we move to the next chord, E minor, and then just move your finger 2. So your finger 2 comes from your string 6 to string 4, fret 2. Next chord will be a C. So let's play the C. Keep it here yet, fingers 3 and 4. See, I just changed here my finger 1 to string 4 and my finger 2 to string 5. And then I will move to the last chord, which is D. So for D chord, I will keep pressing my fingers 3, and now I have to take off my finger 4, then I move here to D chord. So G, E minor, C, and D. These chords will have, especially E minor, it's a E minor 7. And the C we call a C at 9. So, but don't worry about all these names now. To make it easier, let's just think as G, E minor, C, and D. First step, just play the chords, only the chord transition. So let's do 4 times and play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Next step, let's play all the beats down. So just yet we won't play yet with strumming pattern. So let's only do down strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, Next step, let's apply the strumming pattern. So this is a good way to practice the guitar. You do it separately, so you start with only chord change and then with your right hand. And if you want more tips on how to start to practice the guitar properly, you can check this video here where I give some tips for you to study the guitar. Now the strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. This is a very common strumming pattern that you can apply to other songs as well. Let's practice a few times the strumming pattern for you to get used to only with your right hand and get a little bit more automatic the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Great. Now let's apply only on the G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to put everything together, so let's do the chord change with the strumming pattern. So for each chord, one complete strumming pattern. So let's start to do this a bit slower and you'll play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, now that you got the chord progression, let's see a song with these chords. But first, this is a very common chord progression that we call 1-6-4-5, and you'll see this in a lot of songs. So the song that I picked now is Last Kiss, and I'll be playing the song, but the song has some pause in the middle, so listen to the song, get used to it, and identify where they have the pauses that has 2 bars with the drums, and then the song come back. So I'll do first part here. I'm not a singer, but I'll be singing the first part, and then you play along with me, and then you go by yourself, okay? So let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now, practice this with this song, learn this song first, but here one more tip. You can do another song with the same chords, but the only thing that you have to do now, you have to double a few strumming patterns. So on the D and E minor, you do the strumming twice, then the C and D, you do once in each chord, and then you do G to finish the sequence of the chords, and then you do twice again. So we start with G twice, E minor twice, C once, D once, and finish with G twice. And then you have to start again on G. So when you do the connection from the first part of the song to the second part, you need to play the G chord 4 times. So the song is Stand By Me. And here another tip. This song is you have in different keys with different versions, but we're gonna play this in G. So we're gonna use the 1, 6, 4, 5, be like this. So twice in G. Twice in minor. Once in C. Once in D. And twice in G. Start again. G. Now that you got these two songs, practice them, and let's understand a little bit about the theory behind of these chord progressions that it repeats in so many songs. So basically, let's think about C. In C, when you have the scale of C, we have 7 notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then the octave C. But these 7 notes, we can make chords with them. So when you get the first note, so let's see here, we have 6 notes, but we have the first one, the 4th and the 5th, which is C, G, and F, will be major. So 1, 4, 5 major chords, and our 2nd, 3rd, and our 6th will be minor chord. We have the 7th, that's we're gonna just leave this out of this. So so we have 1, 4, 5 major chords, 2, 3, 6 minor chords. So what we're gonna do is get 1, which is major, we get the 6th, which is minor, we get the 4, which is major, and you get the 5th, which is major. 1, 6, 4, 5. This is very common, and I can give another example for other songs. Sometimes the songs, it won't be the whole song, this chord progression, but you can identify in some parts of the song. Other songs will be the whole song with only this chord progression. So I get another example, like the song Have a Breath You Take. So this song is in the key of A and use the same chord progression. So on the original key is this. Now I will change, I will play in G. So I will use 1, 6, 4, 5 in G. The idea here is not only you'll be able to play this song, but understand what's happening, and this way it'll be easy for you not only to play the song in a different key, but it will help you to learn new songs, because you can get used to the chord progression and your perception will get better, and you'll be able to learn songs by ear. Also, if you like to play and sing, this will help you to play the song in a key that is comfortable for your voice. So for example, if the song is too high, or the pitch of the song is too low, you can change the key and apply the same chord progression and then sing where it's comfortable for you. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Remember, when you're practicing, to separate things. So work first only on your chord change, then on your strumming pattern, and then put them together. Then you'll play the song. It's really important also, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, hit the bell, hit the like, and let's practice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.